Right. Okay. Let's go. Check this out. Here it goes. I see what you see, but I stop myself from clicking. I feel what you feel, but I stop myself from tickling. Yo, I smell what you smell, but I stop myself from licking. I like women as well, but I don't put my in. Yo, I'm human just like you, in case you were checking. But man like me are waiting for that wedding. Yo, I had a haircut yesterday too. Got that clean shaving. I hope you had a good day at work. Have a good evening. Receive that blessing as well. Receive the blessing. Blessings.